Welcome one and all to Higher Lane in SA3, where I have the pleasure today to introduce this 5-bedroom detached bungalow. Sit down, enjoy the tour. Internally, we're offering 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and this spacious living, dining, into kitchen area. The bungalow is situated on a very generous plot. From the main road and to the eye you cannot see it, but within the boundary line we have a lovely footprint to my left hand side and behind me, where with a bit of imagination and planning you could potentially turn it into a nice off-road parking space or driveway with garage. What a property, what an opportunity. That was our bungalow on Higher Lane. It's ready and on the market for you to view. I'd be delighted to see some of you here. If you know somebody, send over the details. I'm Daft SPACIOUS, my latest listing in SA3, and I'll see you soon.